Alright guys, welcome back to another stream. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's stream, I do want to, talk about Kaspa, give you guys an update on Kaspa and really just, talk about the future for Kaspa because you guys have to understand, okay, Kaspa's, future is really, really bright, okay? A future for Kaspa is looking pretty bright, guys, okay? So I really want to talk about why I personally do believe, okay, that Kaspa, right, for the future, it's going to be amazing, right? And I told you guys many times, Kaspa is truly going to be the next big thing. Okay, it's truly going to be the next big thing. I told you guys to keep your eyes on Kaspa. Kaspa is about to shock the world. And I want to talk about why. Okay, why I truly do believe, the future for Kaspa is bright. Okay, so let's talk about it, guys. There is, in fact, a fair few things that I also want to talk about as well. And yeah, there is in fact a fair few things that I want to show you guys for Kaspa today. I want to, give you guys a little update on what is happening today with Kaspa, things like that. So let's begin, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well today. And yeah, I hope you guys are all, holding in there for Kaspa. Okay, like I said in yesterday's video, do not lose faith for Kaspa. Okay, that's probably going to be the worst thing to do, to lose faith. Do not lose faith, guys. Remember, Kaspa is a long-term play. It's not a short-term play. Okay, remember, okay, we should have that same mindset with Bitcoin as, we should. A lot of people that are buying into Bitcoin, okay, they realize that Bitcoin has store value. It's a hedge against inflation, right? It's a great long-term investment, right? So a lot of people are simply buying Bitcoin and holding it. And I told you guys, okay, we should have that same exact mindset with Kaspa, to simply buy Kaspa and hold it. Okay, remember guys, Kaspa is a long-term play. It's not a short-term play. So, Kaspa today, guys, okay, 8 cents. Okay, it's still below 10 cents. Still a great time to buy some Kaspa, guys. It really, really is. As I've told you guys many times, while Kaspa is below 10 cents, okay, this is truly a great time right now to buy Kaspa, right? It really, really is. This is truly a golden opportunity right now to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can while it's below 10 cents. Like I told you guys, even when Kaspa was above 10 cents, that was super undervalued. Okay, imagine how I think Kaspa now below 10 cents. It's super, super undervalued right now. So understand, guys, Kaspa is truly a great buy right now. And, I really do believe this is a once in a lifetime golden opportunity to buy and accumulate as much Kaspa as you possibly can below these levels, okay, of 10 cents whilst below 10 cents, because I told you guys that Kaspa soon enough it's going to move, okay? So if we go to the weekly time frame, I told you guys that once we do see Kaspa, okay, reaching back up to 20 cents, breaking this resistance, okay, it's going to go much, much higher. Understand that, guys, okay? A move like that is going to be happening for Kaspa, okay? We will eventually see Kaspa reaching back up to 20 cents, breaking this resistance, okay, and it's going to go much, much higher. Understand that, guys, okay? That's going to happen for Kaspa. So while Kaspa's all the way down over here, okay, below 10 cents, this is truly a golden opportunity because, I really do believe not very long now, okay, we're going to see Kaspa below 10 cents, okay? I really do believe, in the next, few weeks, we will potentially see Kaspa reaching back up above 10 cents, okay? And when that happens, okay, we'll probably won't ever see Kaspa going back down to, below 10 cents ever again. Remember, guys, okay, we're in a bull market. Alt season is about to begin. I know there is, in fact, a delay right now happening for, alt season, okay? Usually alt season it should be starting, okay, by now, but we are facing a delay. And one of the main reasons, guys, we are facing a delay right now for alt season is because there's just too many crypto coins out there in the market, right? For the crypto market, there's too many. Okay, there's as of right now, there's over 11 million. Yes, over 11 million crypto coins out there in the crypto market. Okay, I remember, guys, a couple years back, 3-4 years ago, we only had less than 50,000 crypto coins, believe it or not. And that was 3 to 4 years ago, right? So I remember we had I think it was over 30,000 crypto coins at the time, right? A couple years back, 3-4 years ago. And now, guys, we have over 11 million crypto coins, okay? And I think that has to do something with meme coins because meme coins are created every second, I swear. So it's crazy. And I think this is pretty much one of the main reasons, guys. Alt season is delayed. There's just too many, crypto coins out there in the market. Okay, but understand, guys, it does not mean we're not going to see alt season. It's going to happen. Okay, so I told you guys, okay, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping. And once we do see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, that's when alt season will pretty much occur, right? So guys, we have to keep our eyes on the Bitcoin dominance as well. Once we see a drop happening for the Bitcoin dominance, something like this, right? Because this is going to happen. That's when alt season will pretty much begin. So understand, guys, alt season is still, we're still going to have an alt season. We're just having a bit of a delay right now, okay? But yeah, it's going to happen. We're going to see a lot of alts, pumping, large caps, low caps, they're going to move. So understand, guys, Kaspa's going to move either way. And the future is bright for Kaspa. I don't want to talk about it, for, today's stream. But yeah, Kaspa today, right? It's still at 8 cents, just below 9 cents. And yeah, it's not really moving. It's still up 1% today. Okay, so looking a bit more better. But yeah, we're not seeing huge moves. The volume today, $44 million. The market cap for Kaspa, 2.2 billion. So not too bad. The hash rate, 1.34 exahash. Okay, still holding up pretty well. The next reduction is 24 days. And the next reward is 62 Kaspa, right? As we know. So I told you guys that, February is pretty bullish for Kaspa. You guys can see just last year, 2024, Kaspa was up 73%. And then even in 2023, Kaspa was up over 100%, 107%. Okay, so, it was looking pretty good for Kaspa, right? And yeah, usually February is a very bullish month for Kaspa. Maybe this time around, it will be different because so far it's not looking too good. We are in fact having a slow start for this month of February. Okay, for this year in 2025, we are down over 30%, 32.6%. But we will just have to see where Kaspa, will be heading in the next remaining few weeks for this month of February. Okay, but so far, okay, it's not looking too, good. We are seeing a slow start. Do I think, okay, we could potentially see Kaspa ending, this month in the greens where we see a recovery? Yeah, there is potential, right? There is potential, but, honestly, guys, I don't mind if Kaspa is below 10 cents. I really do not mind, guys, if Kaspa is just going to stay below 10 cents in the next, upcoming few weeks. I really don't mind. And the reason why I say that, that I don't mind, Kaspa being below 10 cents, because, like I said, this is super undervalued. Where Kaspa is right now, guys, below 10 cents, it's just super undervalued. This is truly a great price target to accumulate as much Kaspa as you possibly can. It's just so undervalued right now. So I don't mind if, in the next remaining few weeks, if we do see Kaspa below 10 cents, I'll just simply buy more. Okay, just DCA. Okay, as we should. So this is truly a blessing right now. This is truly a blessing to buy Kaspa below 10 cents, right? It really is. Like I said, this is truly a once in a lifetime golden opportunity to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can while it's below 10 cents, right? So I really don't mind, but hey, if this month we do see a recovery happening for Kaspa, then that's fine too. Okay, so that is that. But yeah, so let's talk about Kaspa, some good news here. So stable coins, right? So will we see a stable coin, okay, happening for Kaspa? Okay, there's a lot of rumors, okay, that, apparently we will see a stable coin happening for Kaspa. And yes, it seems like we will. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Seems like maybe sometime this year in 2025, we'll see a stable coin happening for Kaspa, which will be, fantastic to see, right? This will obviously, be pretty bullish for Kaspa. So seems like, maybe sometime this year in 2025 during this bull market, yes, we will see a stablecoin launch for Kaspa. So Kaspa holders, be excited for that. Now, let's talk about why the future for Kaspa is bright, right? So if you guys are new to Kaspa, okay, I really want you guys just to simply do your own research. But understand, Kaspa is just so early. Okay, we are truly in the early stages of Kaspa right now, like where Bitcoin was back 2015, 2013. That is exactly like where I see Kaspa today. Okay, so understand, guys, Kaspa's still, developing. Okay, as we know, we're going to see 10 BPS happening very soon, smart contracts, okay, even tier 1 listings. Like Kaspa is not listed on any tier 1 crypto exchange unless you can, is Kraken a tier 1 exchange. I'm not quite sure, but you know, it's listed on Kraken. Okay, I mean that exchange is pretty big, but not as big as something like Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com. But yeah, you know, I really do believe in the future Kaspa is going to be getting listed on Binance, Coinbase, and things like Crypto.com and many more other tier 1, you know, crypto exchanges. So Kaspa's still, you know, developing, guys, right? It really, really is. Kaspa has only been around for, you know, over 3 years now. So it's still pretty new, right? It hasn't been around for that long. And, you know, the Kaspa community is pretty small. And I'm not saying that's a bad thing. That just showed you guys that we are truly in the early stages of Kaspa right now. But it says here, whatever the price may be today, Kaspa is moving forward 10 BPS, making Kaspa not only the fastest proof of work, but the fastest crypto ever created. Okay, and then also smart contracts, stablecoins, on the fastest decentralized proof of work layer 1, tier 1 listings, making it more accessible for inexperienced investors to purchase Kaspa and giving it more exposure and trading volume. Okay, so Kaspa's still developing, guys, right? As we know, 10 BPS, that's being tested right now. Everything's running pretty smooth, and that's going to happen, I believe, in the next few months, around April, maybe even sooner than that, who knows. But yeah, 10 BPS is about to happen for Kaspa, so that's very exciting. You know, I've been talking about that many, many times. The Kaspa community have been talking about that as well, and it's going to happen, right? It's going to be very, very bullish for Kaspa, right? This is huge. Even smart contracts, right, in tier 1 listings, okay, as we know. So understand, guys, okay, this delay on the altcoin season is beneficial for Kaspa, gives us more time to build and be ready when everything goes parabolic. And that's true. I 100% do agree. As we know, okay, Binance, okay, they've been teasing us. Okay, Binance, on the X page for the past like few weeks, like last month and whatnot, they've been giving us a lot of hints and rumors for the Kaspa holders that they could potentially be listing Kaspa on their exchange very, very soon. Okay, a fair few people in the Kaspa community are saying we could potentially see a Binance listing happening this month in February. And personally, I don't know if that's actually going to happen. Maybe, right? That would be absolutely amazing to see. But if it doesn't happen this month in February, then I think for certain it's going to happen sometime this year in 2025 during this bull market. I think that's for sure going to be happening for Kaspa, right? Being listed on Binance, that's going to be huge. Smart contracts, 10 BPS. Like, everything's just looking up for Kaspa, right? The future is truly looking bright for Kaspa. Like, how can you be bearish on Kaspa right now, right? Like, truly. Okay, so understand, guys, just really do your own research on Kaspa, understand where Kaspa is heading in the future. And like I said, you know, if you simply like Bitcoin, if you're bullish on Bitcoin, you're going to be bullish on Kaspa. Okay, you're going to be bullish on Kaspa. And a lot of, you know, Bitcoin holders, investors, and the Bitcoin maxis, they have not came across Kaspa yet. And that's why I still believe Kaspa is, you know, still in the early stages. Because like I said, the Kaspa community is pretty small. Okay, a lot of Bitcoiners out there are not into Kaspa yet. Okay, but there will be in the future, guys. Okay, that's what I want to, you know, let you guys know, right? So understand Kaspa, okay, is going to have a very, very bright future. So understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin versus Kaspa, okay, and you guys clearly see Bitcoin removed the trusted third party by creating a Bitcoin scaling problem. Kaspa solved the Bitcoin scaling problem, okay, so you guys clearly see, as we know, Bitcoin is the first ever blockchain, okay, so, you know, Bitcoin, right, creates a block every 10 minutes, okay, you guys can clearly see that, okay, every 10 minutes, you know, a block is pretty much created. Okay, so that's the blockchain. That's what a blockchain looks like. Now for Kaspa, you know, as we know, okay, it's the first ever BlockDAG. Okay, and you guys can clearly see, especially with the Ghost DAG at 10 BPS, this is what it looks like. So you guys can clearly see every block is a second. So 10 blocks per second, guys, this is pretty much what it's going to look like, guys. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing compared to the blockchain. Okay, for Bitcoin, 10 minutes per block. You guys can clearly see with Kaspa, it's much, you know, faster, way more faster than Bitcoin, right? You guys can clearly see that. So this is one of the main reasons, guys, I'm very, very bullish for Kaspa. Like, this is unique. You know, Kaspa is not a blockchain. Okay, remember, Bitcoin is a blockchain. It's the first ever blockchain, but Kaspa is like, you know, the next big thing because it's a BlockDAG. It's something different. It's unique, right? And it's much faster than a blockchain, right? You guys can clearly see that. So this is pretty much one of the main reasons, guys. I am very bullish for Kaspa. Like, how can you not be bullish for Kaspa, right? So yeah, I actually do believe, the future for Kaspa is looking very bright ahead of it. It really is. So Kaspa holders, be ready, because I actually do believe, the BlockDAG is going to be the next big thing. Okay, it truly will be. And guess what? It's not going to start at 10 blocks per second, guys. It's going to be going to, 32 blocks per second. And then eventually the big vision is 100 blocks per second. That's eventually going to be happening for Kaspa. And that's going to be huge, guys. And that's when Kaspa's pretty much going to be going mainstream. So Kaspa holders, be ready for that, because yeah, it's going to happen for Kaspa. So like I said, guys, okay, Binance, right? Binance, they have been truly giving us a lot of hints and rumors that they are in fact talking, okay, about Kaspa here. Okay, you guys can clearly see all the different things that Binance, okay, even CZ himself have posted on X talking about, Kaspa. Okay, they could potentially be talking about Kaspa here. Like, it's not 100% confirmed, but it is a potential that they could potentially, be talking about Kaspa. So I really do believe, with all these hints and rumors that Binance, even CZ, have been giving us, I truly do believe a listing is going to be happening for Kaspa. Okay, like I said, if it doesn't happen this month in February, then most likely it's going to happen sometime this year in 2025. I think that is very possible, guys. So be ready for that, because once we do see, you guys have to understand, okay, once we do see a listing, okay, for Kaspa on Binance, it's game over. Okay, Kaspa, okay, the Kaspa price is going to rise. Okay, Kaspa's pretty much going to go mainstream, because as we know, guys, Binance is truly one of the most popular crypto exchanges out there in the market. Okay, not everyone, but majority of people that are in crypto, that are in the crypto space, they use Binance to buy, sell, and trade on that exchange. So understand, once we do see a listing on Kaspa on Binance, it's going to be a game changer, right? It's going to be massive. It's going to be, bullish for Kaspa, of course. So Kaspa holders, get ready, because I truly do believe, I do believe Binance one day will be listing Kaspa on their exchange. And like I said, it could potentially happen, this year in 2025. I think that is, very possible. So be ready for that. Okay. Now let's talk about these Kaspa wallets. Okay, because as we know, things like wallet number 2, especially wallet number 5, they've been buying a whole bunch of Kaspa. And as I've told you guys many times, personally, I do believe wallet number 5, it belongs to an exchange. Okay, and it's pretty obvious. I mean, that wallet, they strictly buy on weekdays. They buy during the weekdays around Monday to Thursday. Okay, and that's it. And they don't buy during the holidays. Okay, and they don't buy during the weekends. Okay, so that's why I truly do believe wallet number 5 belongs to an exchange. And I told you guys, I think it's Binance. If it's not Binance, then it has to be like Coinbase. Either one of these two, in my personal opinion, right? But yeah, it says here, everyone looking at wallet number 5 on Kaspa. Meanwhile, I'm checking out wallet 19 and 20, accumulating thousands every hour. Okay, so apparently, okay, wallet number 19, 20, even 18, they have in fact been accumulating thousands of Kaspa every hour. Again, this was posted yesterday, right? So guys, who knows, okay, who these wallets belong to, but just clearly see the community is going strong for Kaspa. Okay, a lot of people are now realizing, okay, a lot more people are realizing where Kaspa is heading in the future. Right, so that is that, guys. Okay, that is that. This is very bullish, and also this is very interesting. Okay, I feel like this person is doing like a I don't know what he's doing, but apparently this person is buying $1 worth of Kaspa per day until Kaspa reaches $1. So I don't know if he's doing like an experiment or something, but I feel like this is a pretty good idea. Buying $1 worth of Kaspa per day until Kaspa reaches $1. Okay, I feel like this is a good strategy. Okay, it's not a bad strategy in my opinion. It's better than doing zero. I told you guys it's more risky owning, zero Kaspa. So I truly do believe this is great, especially for, I want to say like the average person, right, that don't have a lot of money. Even just buying $1. I'm being dead serious, guys. Like just buying $1 of Kaspa per day, that's amazing, right? That is amazing. It's better than nothing, guys. It's better than owning zero or not even buying into Kaspa or, DCAing into Kaspa. I truly do believe this is a great strategy to use. Okay, so yeah, this person, okay, is day 339. And yeah, he's buying $1 worth of Kaspa every day until Kaspa reaches $1. And I think this is, I actually do think this is a great experiment. I think this person is doing an experiment, right? So I think this is amazing. I approve. I truly do approve, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this. But I approve. I think this is a great experiment to do, right? And who knows, okay? I've seen many people, investing $1 into Bitcoin, okay, like a couple of years back, and they have made big returns. And I told you guys, Kaspa is truly like in the early stages of Bitcoin. So buying $1 worth of Kaspa every day is like doing it with Bitcoin back in the day, right? So I think this is great, and that's why I truly do approve of it, right? I think this is a great experiment. But yeah, also guys, okay, a lot of people want to know where Kaspa is heading, in the future. Okay, and as I told you guys, I do believe Kaspa is going to be reaching new highs. Okay, of course, and this chart just shows you guys, okay, on the weekly time frame, heavily undervalued here, right? And it is, as I told you guys many times, Kaspa right now below 10 cents is super undervalued, right? And this person agrees with me, okay? And yeah, target 75 cents to $1.75 to even $3.5, okay? So that's a 20x from here, right? So I do believe, okay, Kaspa is going to be reaching these price targets one day. It's going to happen. It can happen during this bull market for sure. And as I told you guys, my personal Kaspa price prediction, like the most bearish scenario for Kaspa is around 65 cents to 67 cents. And of course, my base case is like $1 to $1.50, and then my most bullish scenario is like $2.50 to $3, right? That's my personal Kaspa price prediction. And it seems like I'm not too far off from this person's. Oh, I just realized we have the same name. But yeah, I don't think we're too far off from his prediction here, okay, compared to mine. It's pretty similar. So it seems like as Kaspa holders, we have similar, expectations for Kaspa, especially this bull market. This is going to be Kaspa's first ever bull cycle that it's gonna, go through. And as I told you guys, this is potentially going to be Kaspa's, first ever. It's obviously going to be its first ever cycle, but I do believe Kaspa is going to, perform pretty decently, right? This bull run. So I'm ready for Kaspa to reach new highs. I don't know about you guys, but I am ready. Like I said, Kaspa right now is below 10 cents. It's heavily undervalued, okay? And I really don't mind if Kaspa stays below 10 cents. I can just buy more, just DCA more into Kaspa during these times right now, right? Because I really do believe this is truly a great time right now to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can, because, Kaspa right now, it is truly undervalued. So I do believe buying some Kaspa right now is a good move for sure, since it's super heavily undervalued. Okay, so that is that, guys. But understand, Kaspa's going to easily break 20 cents, and it's going to go much higher. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. So Kaspa holders, be ready, because Kaspa's going to shock the world. And also, right, Kaspa, okay, it seems like it's forming a similar move to what Ethereum did. Okay, and I think this is a different comparison, right? It's something different, and you also clearly see what Ethereum did back in 2016 to 2017. Ethereum was in this consolidation phase, right? You also clearly see strong sideways price movements happening for Ethereum for the past like few months, right? You also clearly see that. Okay, probably over a year, right? Just like Kaspa. Okay, we know Kaspa has in fact been consolidating, having strong sideways price movements for the past, over a year now. And yeah, you also clearly see Ethereum just skyrocketed, okay, when we had the bull market. And remember, guys, we're in a bull market right now, okay? We are, in fact, in the final stretch of this bull market. So, what Ethereum did back in 2017, will it happen for Kaspa this year in 2025? Who knows? But, it's going to happen, guys. Like something similar to what Ethereum did, this is going to happen for Kaspa. Okay, understand that, guys, right? So Kaspa holders, be ready for that, because, Kaspa is easily going to be reaching 20 cents back up to its previous highs, breaking that resistance, and then it's going to go much higher. So be ready for that. And this is going to happen, guys. Okay, everyone, okay, that is not buying into Kaspa right now, okay, below 20 cents, okay, it's to say, below 10 cents because it's at 8 cents right now, super undervalued. Everyone that is not buying into Kaspa right now, guys, is going to be FOMOing into Kaspa in the future. When Kaspa's at $1, $2, $4, $5, $10, everyone's going to FOMO in. Okay, trust me, guys, it's going to happen. And I told you guys, right, the Kaspa community is pretty small. Okay, and this is a good sign just to show you guys that we are truly in the early stages of Kaspa, right? And this is actually good that we found Kaspa, okay, at the early stages, and we are in fact, accumulating as much Kaspa as we possibly can at these low levels. Like, this is truly a great time right now to buy as much Kaspa as you possibly can. Not financial advice, of course, right? But yeah, understand, guys. Kaspa right now is super undervalued. Okay, no one is buying into Kaspa, okay, at these levels. Especially below 10 cents. I feel like a lot of people that are not into Kaspa right now are not buying at these levels, which is crazy to me. And trust me, yes, they're gonna FOMO in. Okay, like I said, everyone that is not buying into Kaspa right now, they're gonna FOMO in. Trust me, it's gonna happen. We always see FOMO, guys. Okay, I promise you guys this: when we do see Kaspa, okay, reaching new highs, we're gonna see a lot of FOMO. A lot of FOMO. I promise you guys that. Okay, mark my words. That's gonna happen. Okay, for some reason, a lot of humans, okay, how they operate, right, is they buy when everything is in the greens, when it's pumping, everyone's talking about it. Okay, that's when they like to buy. They don't want to buy when it's quiet, right? Not everyone's really talking about it. It's crashing. It's in the reds. That's when you're supposed to buy. But a lot of people, okay, like to do the complete opposite. They like to buy in when everything is pumping. Everyone's talking about it, right? News articles are talking about it. Everyone's just talking about it, right? There's a lot of, hype around it. That's why, we see a lot of FOMO, guys. So for some reasons, that's how a lot of humans operate, right? So that is that, guys. When others are fearful, we got to be greedy. So while others are fearful, everyone's panic selling, we got to be buying. Okay, that's the best time to buy, guys. Okay, while others are greedy, we got to be fearful. Okay, so that is that, right? Now, let's go ahead and do some Q&A. Okay, it's been a while since I did some Q&A. So if you guys have any questions, let me know before I end today's stream. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys for joining today's stream. It's been almost a week since I went live, and I do apologize for that, truly. But I'm back, guys. Don't you guys worry. Alright, guys. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll do a little Q&A before I end tonight's stream. When will the bull run start? Alt season? Soon, hopefully. And I know I always say alt season will begin soon, but the crypto market, okay, look at that, look, over 11 million crypto coins. And I think this is one of the main reasons why alt season is delayed, right? So that's pretty much one of the main reasons why we are seeing a delay right now for alt season. I would have thought alt season would have started by now, but clearly not. Okay, so we are seeing a delay, but I do believe alt season should be starting probably towards the end of this month in February, if not next month in March. Like, it has to begin in March. It has to be, right? So if we don't see alt season starting this month in February, then it has to start next month in March. It has to. Will Kaspa go to $10 this season? As much as I am bullish on Kaspa, and as you guys know, I'm very, very bullish on Kaspa, but I want to be realistic with you guys, and we probably won't see Kaspa reaching $10 this bull run, right? But in the next bull run, yes, it is very possible that we do see Kaspa reaching $10. So this bull run, I don't think we will see Kaspa reaching $10, right? But in the next bull run, I think, yes, we will see Kaspa reaching $10. Someone says here, Kaspa is a scam. Please sell all Kaspa. Yeah, I disagree. I think you just need to do your own research on Kaspa. And once you do your own research, I think you will be very, very bullish of Kaspa. Like I said, if you like Bitcoin, you're going to like Kaspa. It's that simple. Do you think in the next 10 years, Kaspa reaches $20? Yeah, in 20 years, that is very, very possible that we do see Castle reaching $20 in the next decade. I think that's possible, yeah. $2 top if timely Binance and Coinbase listing Bitcoin goes above 200K. Yeah, I agree. I 100% do agree. When we do see tier one exchanges listing Caspa like Binance and Coinbase, you know, Caspa, yes, the Caspa price is going to move. And I do believe it's going to be at $1, $2. Yeah, I think that's very possible. Bitcoin goes above 200K, that's going to happen as well. 200K is an easy, I feel like 200K is an easy target for Bitcoin. Castle smart contracts are coming too late for this bull run. Really? You think so? I think it's still fine. I think it's still on track. Do you think Casper will be the currency of the world someday? Uh, Probably not. Probably not. Right. I mean, for Bitcoin, okay, a lot of different countries out there are making Bitcoin legal tender, right? In their countries, like for example, El Salvador. So who knows? Yeah, there it is potential that Casper can be the currency of the world, but probably not the world. Maybe in other countries, like Casper will be like legal tender, like in the future. I mean, there's already some other like countries out there. I've seen like a clip, and there's like a laundry, um, laundry like company that they accept Casper. Apparently, like they accept a Bitcoin and Casper, which is crazy. $1 per day. That's why we dump. Uh, Might as well as after man. Castle's cooked. Don't drink the cast Kool-Aid. I'm gonna be drinking it. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna be drinking it. People prefer fight coins so far. The for the superior tech. Yeah, I think you're trolling at this point. Solana superior tech. Yeah. You mentioned $10 baby steps. Hold above 10 cents first before talking 125x. Casper below its price from 479 days ago. Baby steps. Bull run is over. No, it is not. It is not over. Okay, the bull run is not over, guys. Casper to 5 cents incoming. Yes, that is very, very possible at this point. Right, as we know, a couple of days ago, Casper broke support. It's still below 10 cents. You know, it's been over a year since we have seen Casper at these levels, below 10 cents especially. So it is very, very possible at this point, since it did break support, it is possible that we do see Casper going back down to, lower levels like, 6 cents to 5 cents. And trust me, when I do see Casper, guys, okay, going back down to these levels of 5 cents, I'm buying. I'm buying as much as I possibly can. I don't know about you guys, but I am buying. Right. Kaspa has been down only since 19 cents. Yes. Um, I'll be happy if it reaches 80 cents and will still hold after if it goes down. Is a marathon, not a sprint, and I will still hold. Got it at average 11 cents. Nice. That's what I like to hear right there. That's a great strategy, and I'm with you on that. I'm making Casper a long-term play, just like Bitcoin, right? I've been DCing to Bitcoin for almost 4 years now, coming up to 4 years. which is crazy to think about. And I haven't even sold 1% of my Bitcoins because I understand where Bitcoin is heading long term. It's the same thing with Kaspa, right? My mindset, like what I do have with Bitcoin, is the same with Kaspa, right? I understand where Kaspa is heading in the future. And that's why I'm simply DCAing to Kaspa, okay? Buying Kaspa, accumulating as much as I possibly can, and just holding it, right? And this bull run, I probably won't even sell even 1% of my Kaspa. And you guys may call me crazy. Yes, Kaspa can drop, a lot in the next bear market. I mean, a lot of alts will drop like at least over 50%. So Kaspa can drop over 50% in the next bear market, right? It's going to reach a top, and then it's going to drop. As we know, next year, 2026, okay, we should be entering a bear market. But personally, guys, like I said, I don't care what Kaspa's doing short term. It's all about long term, right? So that's why I think Kaspa is a great long term play. This is a good question. Do you guys think that one day Kaspa will be $30 per coin? Yes. Down in the future, I do believe that's very possible because, I made a video talking about Kaspa reaching $10. I made a video talking about Kaspa reaching $20, okay? But $30, it's going to happen. Like, if Kaspa can reach $10 to $20, then I do think $30 is possible as well, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's possible. And of course, I'm talking long term here. I'm talking like over 10 years from now. Yes, we're going to see Kaspa like at $30. 15 years, 20 years from now, who knows, right? But it's going to happen one day for sure. I am also holding 108,000 Kaspa. That is amazing to hear. I'm glad that you are in fact a Kaspa dolphin. And I feel like a lot of people that are in Kaspa, and I've said this many times, but I want to say it again, right? Because I feel like it's really important. Okay, a lot of people want to know, like, how much Kaspa should you hold to be sitting on a fortune in the next few years, right? In the future. Okay, especially in the future. And I told you guys, I think holding 100,000 Kaspa coins at least is a good amount. Okay, I truly do believe if you guys hold at least 100,000 Kaspa coins, you will be sitting on a fortune, down in the future for sure. So I feel like a lot of us that believe in Kaspa, okay, should have that goal of, accumulating at least 100,000 Kaspa coins. I think that's a good amount. 100,000 Kaspa is good. Yes, it is. I think that's a great amount. And I truly do believe in the future, you will be sitting on a fortune. Imagine the people, like there's obviously people out there in Wales that hold over 1 million Kaspa coins, even millions of it, which is insane. They will for sure be sitting on a fortune in the future. Time for Binance listing and smart contracts. Yes, that's going to happen eventually. Patience, guys. Okay, it's all about patience. Eventually, that's all going to, come for Kaspa. It's going to happen. Just hold Kaspa, swap to Bitcoin when the old season is over, then jump in again when Bitcoin dominance is over. Yeah, that works too. That works too. That's not too bad of a strategy as well. But personally, right, all my other altcoins that I'm currently holding, things like, for example, Ethereum, guys, like I told you guys this before, Ethereum, I'm going to be taking majority of my profits from Ethereum, things like Solana, Chainlink, right? I'm going to be taking my profits from those alts, okay? Even like my meme coins like Sheep, Doge, Sui and whatnot, right? I'm going to be taking my profits from those alts and I'm going to be reinvesting into things like Bitcoin and Kaspa. Because as I told you guys, I'm simply going all in on Bitcoin and Kaspa, right? And not to mention, right, I do believe Ethereum is a great long-term investment. I do believe Solana is a great long-term investment as well, especially Solana. I think Solana has a great future ahead of it for sure. Even Chainlink, right? But I'm just more bullish on Kaspa, right? If I had to choose one altcoin that I'm really bullish on, it's Kaspa. It's a no-brainer, right? I think it's Kaspa. So that's why I'm going to be taking my majority of my profits with these alts, and I'm going to be reinvesting into Bitcoin and Kaspa. That's my plan for this bull. Nothing too crazy. No, it will take 4 to 6 months until new listings. Yeah. Kaspa lost long-term support. Yeah, it's only lost support at 10 cents. And yeah, Kaspa has been above 10 cents for over a year. But that's fine, you know. And like I said, if I do see Kaspa going lower to like 6 cents, 5 cents even, I'm buying as much as I possibly can. I'm buying, guys. Like, I'm going to be going crazy when I do see Kaspa at those low prices. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to be buying. Tony says here, ask yourself the question, are my money better in the bank than Kaspa in the next 10 years? No. In general, okay, your money is not better in the bank. Okay. I'm pretty sure we all know that. And the reason why you guys should not leave your money in the bank, and I know a lot of you guys do this, is because of inflation, right? If you simply, guys, save in fiat, okay, you save money in the bank, you're just leaving your money in the bank, you're not investing your money, you're not, you know, putting your money to work, right? You're not putting your money into assets, right? Appreciating assets. Your money that's sitting in the bank will lose value, right? That's the thing here, guys. Okay. So understand you need to invest, guys, especially if you guys want to build wealth. If you simply want to build wealth, you have to invest your money. It's that simple. Okay. Why a lot of people are wealthy is because they always are investing. Okay. They don't save in fiat, right? They're not saving money, guys. Okay. So you simply want to invest into assets, guys. Okay. If you simply want to build wealth in the future, you got to make your money work for you. So simply invest into assets, appreciating assets. So a lot of people out there are, you know, buying stocks, index funds and whatnot, S&P 500. Personally, I don't do that, okay? But a fair few people are, right? And it's a great long-term investment, I must say. Even things like silver, gold, right? Real estate is a big one, okay? And many more other assets. But for me, guys, it's Bitcoin and crypto, right? Especially Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is truly one of the best, if not the best, appreciating assets ever, right? For the past 10 years, Bitcoin has been outperforming a lot of other assets, okay, a lot of other asset classes. So, you know, in the next 10 years, I still do believe Bitcoin is still going to remain number one, right? In, you know, best performing assets. And I do believe Kaspa, right? Kaspa is going to be the next big thing for sure. So that's why, guys, I'm pretty much all in on crypto, right? I'm pretty much all in on Bitcoin and crypto. Like, this is the only asset that I'm buying right now. Obviously, when I get older, I want to start investing into like real estate, stuff like that. I probably would never buy stocks or anything like that, or bonds. Even like silver and gold, I probably would never buy that. But I would rather hold silver and gold than fiat. Like, fiat is like the last thing that I will ever hold. So if you guys simply want to build wealth, you got to invest your money in assets, right? So that is that. So of course, keeping your money in Kaspa in the next 10 years is much, much better, Tony. How many Kaspa do you hold right now? I'd rather not say the amount, but I am a Kaspa Dolphin. That's all you guys need to know. Tony also says, I'd rather not say, but I am a Dolphin. I am too. So that is that. But yeah, like I said, I feel like a lot of people that are in the Kaspa community, I feel like a lot of us should become Dolphins at least. Because I think become a Dolphin, I think that's the best thing to do. So you would need to have 100,000 Kaspa coins to 1,000,000. Okay. And I know some of you guys are fishes, octopus, even a crab, and that's fine. You know, it's better than zero. It's better than owning no Kaspa. But I feel like our goal should be becoming a dolphin, right? And even a shark. If you can become a shark, man, that would be insane. And you will be sitting on a fortune for sure. I think I'm a baby shark. Baby fish, sorry. Oh, okay. That's fine. It's better than zero. You have 5,000. That's amazing. That is amazing. It's better than zero. It's better than owning no Kaspa. But yeah, I feel like everyone's goal should be like to become a dolphin, at least to own at least 100,000 Kaspa coins, at least, because I think 100k. If Bitcoin reaches, not Bitcoin now, Kaspa. I got Bitcoin in my head. If Kaspa reaches like $10 and you own 100,000 Kaspa coins, you'll be a millionaire, right? You will be a millionaire easily. What about 12,000? I mean, 12,000 is not too bad, right? But I don't think you will be sitting on a fortune. Maybe in the next like 20 years, 30 years, yeah, sure, but not anytime soon. I mean, if you have 12,000 like Kaspa, you might as well just keep DCAing, right? Till you get to 100,000 Kaspa. It is possible, guys. Don't think it's impossible. It is very, very possible. Just keep, DCAing into Kaspa. Like I said, I don't care if it's $1 a day, like what that person was doing, right? With this strategy, okay? Buying $1 worth of Kaspa per day until Kaspa reaches $1. It's better than doing nothing. So I think this is a great strategy. Just keep DCAing, guys. Like I said, I don't care if it's $1. I don't care if it's $5, $10, $20, $50, $100. It's good. I am trying hard to buy more. That's good. I'm glad that you haven't given up. I'm glad you're still buying more. What do you think Kaspa would do this year? Well, personally, I do see things happening for Kaspa, as I mentioned, right? So obviously 10 BPS, smart contracts, tier 1 listings. And yeah, I do see Kaspa reaching new highs. I think it's going to reach $1, over $1. I think it's very, very possible. Kaspa is truly going to shock the world, guys. Truly. I bought too much at prices that were too high, 11 cents to 20 cents. That's fine. And the reason why I say that's fine, that you bought some Kaspa, at those levels of 11 cents to 20 cents, is because when Kaspa does reach, a couple of dollars, because that's going to happen, right? Kaspa's going to be reaching $2. It's going to be reaching $5, $10. You won't be thinking about, I bought Kaspa at 11 cents to 20 cents. You would say to yourself that was a blessing, right? But clearly Kaspa, it's still not higher than 11 cents to 20 cents. That's why you're saying that. But all I'm saying is, like, down in the future, you're going to be glad that you bought some Kaspa at 11 cents to 20 cents. I watched every single one of your videos. Thank you. I appreciate that. What date do you think Kaspa will be listed on Binance? I really do not know, but I think, okay, like, some people in the Kaspa community are predicting that we're going to be seeing Kaspa being listed on Binance this month in February, right? And if it doesn't happen this month in February, then I think it's going to happen sometime this year in 2025 during this bull market. I think that is very, very possible. 250 is the highest this year. Who knows? Who knows? I think Kaspa can go a bit more higher than that, like the most bullish scenario. I think that's possible. This is a good question. Is there potential for Kaspa to do higher jumps, maybe dollar jumps from now? Yeah. I truly do believe when we do see Kaspa reaching like $1, I think after it reaches $1, I think Kaspa's gonna be like reaching like, it's gonna be easier for Kaspa to reach like the next few dollars, $2, $5, $10. Especially if it reaches like the double digits, yeah, it's gonna be so much more easier for Kaspa to reach the dollar marks. If they don't list now, they will never list. I disagree. I'm sorry. If they don't list it now, guys, I'm just gonna, I think we should all be patient, and eventually they will list it, because this is gonna happen one day. I mean, how can you not think that they won't be listing Kaspa? Like, look at all these hints and rumors. Like, look at CZ. Look at what he said here. Have you ever thought to yourself, I wish I had Bought Bitcoins early, bought the dip, held, learned about crypto early in no FUD. But when the opportunity presents itself again, will you act? Today is earlier than all the days to come, not financial advice. Like, is he talking about Kaspa here? Right? Because remember, guys, a lot of us missed the opportunity of buying Bitcoin in the early stages. And guess what? Kaspa is in the early stages. Like, truly, we are. What solves the blockchain trilemma? Kaspa, right? So all these hints and rumors that Binance have been posting on the X page for the past few weeks, especially last month, I think that it's going to happen either way, right? Whether you like it or not, all right, Binance is going to be listing Kaspa one day. It's going to happen. Obviously, it's not 100% confirmed, but I think it's going to happen for sure. I mean, a lot of us that are in the Kaspa community, we all believe it's going to happen one day, and I agree. I want to buy more and more. I want 3 or 4 months more to accumulate more. I am not in a rush to get listed. Yeah, that's true. Same here. Like I said, I don't mind if Kaspa is below 10 cents in the next few weeks, past few months. I really don't care. That'll be fine for me. I can just buy more below 10 cents. It's a blessing right now. It truly is, guys, right? It's a true blessing to buy some Kaspa below 10 cents. It's at 8 cents right now. Think about it. It's going to be a true blessing. And at this point, guys, I'm all in on Kaspa right now. Like, I'm just simply DCAing into Kaspa, right? Like, I'm taking a break from Bitcoin. You know, I've been DCAing to Bitcoin for the past, like, coming up to 4 years now, right? Which is crazy to think about. And I'm just buying Kaspa. I'm going to give Bitcoin, like, a little break. And I'm just focusing on Kaspa right now. I need to focus more on accumulating Kaspa. It is so much due diligence. What I observed, Kaspa is a second chance after Bitcoin. I wish 20 years later people would ask us how you did it. I agree. Make more videos, please. Stay motivated. Thank you, Mitch. You're welcome. Thank you for that kind comment. I appreciate you. I appreciate all you guys, truly. Wolf Ranger says Kaspa is not going to make it in this bull run. It will. This is a good question. How much do you think Kaspa will pump after Binance announces spot listing? I guess we go straight to new highs, all-time highs. Yeah, that is possible as well. That is for sure possible. We will for sure see the Kaspa price skyrocket. And it's so exciting to think about, right? Because we know Kaspa will go parabolic once we do see a listing happening for Kaspa, right, on Binance. The price is just going to rise. Just hit the like button. I'm out. Thanks for the stream. Thank you. Appreciate you for joining tonight's stream. I never invest any money in crypto. My only holdings are Kaspa. Will never move my holding for at least 20 years. That's not too bad. So you are a Kaspa maxi. I think you should get some Bitcoin as well. That's just my personal opinion. Not financial advice, but I think you should get some Bitcoin. Like, everyone that are Bitcoin maxis, I feel like a lot of you guys should own some Bitcoin. I think it's good to own some Bitcoin, right? Like, Bitcoin will always remain king. It's always going to be number one, right? And it's always going to lead the way for crypto. So I feel like it's good to, own some Bitcoin, right? Tony says, yeah, I don't think Kaspa holders should think about Binance or other listings. This will not be the main event for Kaspa. Is the long-term smart contracts the game changer, especially when it will. Yeah, I guess you're right. Reaches 100 blocks per second. Yeah, that's gonna happen one day. I have Bitcoin too. Sorry. Oh, nice. I'm glad you do. And don't be sorry. That's fine. I just feel like a lot of people people that say to me that they are all going in on altcoins, and I ask them like, "Do you have any Bitcoin?" They say no, which is crazy to me. It's crazy to me, guys. Like everyone out there that's investing into crypto, if you guys have a portfolio and it's all altcoins, right, and you don't have any Bitcoin, change it. I feel like every portfolio is amazing. If you own like, I don't know, 70% Bitcoin and then the other 30% is just like, I don't know, like 10% Ethereum, and then the other 10% is like Kaspa, right? I think that's the portfolio that everyone should have. Not everyone, but majority of people. Or maybe make it like, I don't know, 50% Bitcoin, and then 30% Kaspa, and then the other percent random alts. That's also a great portfolio. But hey, it's really up to you guys. All I'm saying is you need some Bitcoin in your portfolio. That's all I'm saying. And it's okay to have, more Kaspa than Bitcoin. I think that's fine. But at least you have some Bitcoin in your portfolio. That's all that matters, right? Alright, guys. I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Thank you guys so much for joining tonight's stream. Sorry, I've been, haven't really been streaming, but I've been uploading for you guys. So that's good, right? But yeah, I appreciate all you guys for joining today's stream. I apologize once again for not streaming for almost a week. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys. I promise not to do that again. I'll try my best to though. But yeah, appreciate all you guys for joining tonight's stream. If you guys haven't seen my most previous videos today, you should definitely check it out. I mean, I only uploaded that video today talking about Bitcoin. So if you guys haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. Appreciate all you guys for the support recently. It's been absolutely amazing, truly has. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. Give this stream a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. If you guys are in the crypto space, if you guys are Bitcoiners, right, Kaspa holders, okay, please consider subscribing, because every single day I give you guys updates on Bitcoin, on Kaspa, what's happening around the crypto space. So please consider subscribing, and let's do this together, right? Let's become wealthy together off of Bitcoin and crypto. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.